Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to invite friends to play games together on Steam but do not know how to add them, this video will help you. Steam allows you to add friends using usernames, friend codes, or invite links. First, launch Steam on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now click on Friends from the top menu. Next, click on Add a Friend. Here, you will see multiple ways to add friends. You can search for your friend using their Steam username. You can also use the friend code option. Share your friend code with the other person, or paste their friend code into the box provided. After entering the code, click Add as Friend. Another option is using a quick invite link. You can copy the invite link and send it to your friend. Once they open the link and accept, the request will be sent. The other person must accept your friend request. After they accept, you will both appear in each other's friends list. Now you can invite your Steam friends to supported multiplayer games. Some games also allow in-game invites directly from the game menu. This makes playing together simple and hassle-free. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC fixes and Steam tutorials.